Company reviews on Indeed share information about the pay, culture, and overall experience working at different companies. To get started, click Company Reviews at the top of the Indeed homepage. If you want to, you can search for a specific company. Otherwise, scroll down to browse companies that are currently hiring, popular companies, and top-rated workplaces. Click a company to learn more. Each company's page may look a little different, but the general layout should be similar. You start off on the Snapshot tab, which gives you an overview of the company. This is a great place to get a general idea of how people feel about working there. As you scroll down the page, you'll see questions that have been asked and answered, reviews about the workplace culture, salary information, and more. You may have noticed that these sections roughly correspond to the tabs at the top of the page. Let's take a closer look at those tabs. The Why Join Us tab is written by the company, and it's their pitch to try to convince you to work for them. For perhaps a more honest take, you can read what past and present employees have to say in the Reviews tab. However, you will only be able to read a few reviews before being prompted to create an Indeed account and add a review yourself. Large companies might have thousands of reviews, so don't take one review as the absolute truth. Instead, read multiple reviews and try to see if there are any patterns to what people are saying. If you are interested in a specific aspect of the company, use the filtering and sorting tools at the top of the page. The next two tabs, Salaries and Benefits, show how much you might expect to earn in different jobs within the company. Speaking of jobs, click the Jobs tab to see a list of open positions. Once there, you can use the search boxes to search for a job or a location. Before applying for a job, you might want to check out the Interviews tab, which has information on what you can expect from the job interview process. If you still have questions about the company, the Q&A tab might have the answer. Large companies will have hundreds if not thousands of questions, but if you can't find what you're looking for, you can also use the search box to submit your own question. If you're a mobile user, you'll notice that it's difficult to find company reviews using the Indeed mobile app. It's actually easier to open your web browser and go to Indeed.com. Once there, you can use the drop-down menu to select Company Reviews. Now you can search and browse just like on the desktop version.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.